Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Far Point Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina. I just wanted to do we'll call it a 1-month follow-up, and maybe I'll shoot some more videos as these things progress. But here's my raised beds and how they're working out. I had some snow peas there. Yeah, and some, what is that? I can't remember what that is. That'll be a surprise. We got ourselves a little strawberry patch growing here. And we got lettuce here. And that's already ready to pick there. We've been eating lettuce out of this already. Here we go here with some peppers. Peppers aren't doing all that well, but the tomatoes, lots of tomatoes, lots of flowers on the tomatoes, so that's good. Moving down here, more peppers, a couple more tomato plants, more tomato plants, so looking good. Not a bad gig, right? Let's take a look at the back too. Here we go back here. More goodies growing. There's a gourd. Tomatoes in buckets. We tried this last year. This works really well. Using rabbit droppings as fertilizer. Really works well. Back here. Yeah, so that's that. Raised beds, buckets, anything you can do to grow a garden. It's amazing how well you can do if you just take care of it. Anyway, that's it for this month's update. I'll check back again in a month. Take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Far Point Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet. Liberty sows its seed at Far